Hi and welcome to another video. This property is a Swedish timber framed property built in the 1950s. Semi-detached. Gas meter, 110mm wall thickness with radiators and TRVs. LED light bulbs. The open fire has been removed and blocked. Unknown date double glazing with a room thermostat and a single rate electric meter. Timber floor with portable electric heating as secondary and a bath with an electric shower. And then up in the loft there's 200mm of loft insulation. This will note the structure of the roof, and the shared wall is solid brick. 200mm of loft insulation, hot water tank, 25mm spray foam insulation with a thermostat, and a boiler. It's a Worcester Green Star 15RI ERP Plus. And there's my site notes and my calculations. The side extension had a solid floor. This is why I added it as an extension, because the main property had suspended timber floor. The final score of this property was D61, which is higher than average by 1%. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.